Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm standing outside of Gretchko Elementary School here in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan. And my first time getting to visit this location, part of the West Bloomfield School District. And it's such an honor. I got to visit during the summertime. So I was here for the West Bloomfield Summer Camp, the day camp specifically, and got to interact with grades 3 through 8, the students in those grade levels. And the main focus today was on bullying. Look at the heart first, to be able to see someone the same way that you see your best friend for who they are inside before anything else, right? And so we talked a lot about, what it means to be a true friend, to be able to look past any judgments that we have, or, if we're just trying to get a laugh and look cool in front of our friends, or, jealousy, any issue that might separate us, that we can actually use it as an opportunity to meet someone, right? Because sometimes our closed hearts shield us from meeting amazing friends. And to know that there were so many pin drop moments throughout today's presentation in the cafeteria really meant a lot to me, because the students were really taking it to heart. And some of the feedback after, saying that, Mr. Peace, you helped to heal my heart, it really just touched me, to my core. And like I always mention, the biggest reason why bullying happens, why the teasing, the put downs happen, is what I've found is that hurt people, but we can always turn that into healed people who heal people, right? And if we can go out into this world, and think about what we want to be remembered for, and hopefully do things that are heavy on the heart, that people are going to want to remember our heart, and that's what this is all about. To not only see people for their heart first, but for this too. So in all my assemblies, I always talk about this concept that all of us with the lines on our hands, I traced one of mine here with washable marker, but all of us with the lines on our hands have at least one M on each hand, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, like it says in the front of my shirt. Upside down W for West Bloomfield, for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, into that idea, and we go forth, we be that light to other people's hearts that have never been told that need a reminder, to really know that they are beautiful people. And sometimes we really take to heart other people's opinions around us, but we have to understand that not every opinion matters. And when someone says something mean to us, we don't have to just push right back or fight right back or say something mean right back, but maybe put ourselves in their shoes. I know that the only way that you might overcome some of that hatred is by, choosing love and choosing peace. And a lot of students, as I left today outside in recess, they were saying, we love peace, we love peace. And I'm just, so happy when I see stuff like that, because to know at a young age that we want to really, truly, start to see a path where we're gonna, be the change, and, be that change that Gandhi's talked about, and go forth and do the right thing, like MLK's discussed in the past. I mean, that means everything, right? This world needs more peace, needs more love, needs more kindness, definitely. And so that's why it was such a unique opportunity for me to be here and share my heart with everyone. So thank you all for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the summer, and have a great start of your school year, wherever you're going to be attending in this district or surrounding locations. Remember, you're all beautiful miracles. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.